Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Excellence Academia. Please subscribe, like, comment and share our videos. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. By the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, respected teachers and friends, Assalamu alaikum. Students, this is the lecture series of 10th Mathematics and we will discuss exercise number 2.7, question number 5 to onwards. 10th Maths, exercise number 2.7. Question number 5. We have two equations, x square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 10 and x square plus y square plus 4x is equal to 1, equation number 2. So, first solving equation number 1. Solving equation 1. x square plus whole square फार्मूला ओपन करें, a square plus b square minus 2ab 10 को इधर लेके आए, minus 10 is equal to 0. x square plus y square minus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. ये question number 3 आ. Similarly, solving equation 2. x square plus y square plus 4x minus 1 equation is equal to 0, equation number 4. Now subtract these two equations. Subtract 3 and 4. X square plus y square minus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Sign change, minus 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 plus. So it becomes minus 4x minus 2y and minus 8 is equal to 0. Dividing by minus 2. 2 to the 4, minus minus plus, 2 1 the 2, plus 2 4 the 8 is equal to 0. This implies y is equal to minus 4 minus 2x, equation number 5. Now put equation 5 or equation 3 or 4. Put in equation 3. X square plus minus 4 minus 2x whole square plus 1 minus 2 y minus 4 minus 2x and minus 10 is equal to 0. Sorry, minus 9 is equal to 0. X square, value of y square, so minus 2y and minus 9 is equal to 0. So it becomes x square plus minus minus plus. We use square formula of plus sign. So 16 plus 4x square 2 to the 4 the 16 plus 16x plus 8 plus 4x minus 9 is equal to 0. 4 plus 1, 5x square, 16 plus 4, 20x, 16 plus 8, 24, 16 plus 8, 24 minus 9. So 24 minus 9, we get 24 minus 9, 15 plus 15 is equal to 0, divided by 5. So x square, 5 4 the 20, 5 3 the 15. You can solve it by determinate method. So x square plus 3x plus x plus 3 is equal to 0, x common, x plus 3 plus 1 common, x plus 3. So we have two factors, x plus 3 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. And we have two values of x, minus 3 and minus 1. 1. Put these two values in equation number 5. Put in equation 5. So y is equal to minus 4 minus 2 x minus 3 minus 4 plus 6 we get 2, and y is equal to minus 4 minus 2 into x minus 1 minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. So solution set x minus 3 and y 2, similarly x minus 1 and y minus 2. This is your required answer. Now we will solve question number 7. Another type of simultaneous equations. Question number 7. X square plus 2y square is equal to 22, equation number 1. 5x square plus y square is equal to 29, equation number 2. Now students, you can see both equations have same variables. So you can use the method of coefficient same method. If we multiply equation 2 by 2, we get same y square. So multiplying equation 2 by 2, 2 5 का 10 plus 2y square, 2 9 का 18, 58, equation number 3. Now subtract 1 and 3. Because if we have same sign, then subtract these two equations. Subtract equation 1 and 3. So equation 1 is x square plus 2y square is equal to 22. 10x square plus 2y square is equal to 58. Sign change, minus minus minus. Minus 9x square is equal to minus 58 plus 22. Minus 36. So x square is equal to minus 36 by minus 9. X square is equal to 4, taking root on both sides. So x is equal to plus minus 2. Put in 1 or 2, 1. Plus minus 2 का square plus 2y square is equal to 22. 2y square 22 plus minus plus 2 भी minus 4 plus 2 and minus 2 both answers are 4. तो plus 4 तो जाएगा हो जाएगा minus 4 हो जाएगा 18 y square 18 by 2 9 9 का root is equal to plus minus 3. So solution set is plus minus 2 and plus minus 3. This type is easy one. Now another type of question number 11. Last type of simultaneous equation, I think. Question number 11. 3x square minus y square is equal to 26. Equation number 1. 3x square minus 5xy minus 2y square, equation number 2. So because both equations are different, so we can solve this equation by factorizing. Now factorize this equation number 2. 3x square 12, 3 is 36, 9 and 4 minus 9xy plus 4xy minus 12y square is equal to 0. Taking common 3x, x minus 3, 3 is 9, 3y plus 4y common, x minus 3y. So we have two factors, x minus 3y and 3x plus 4y is equal to 0. It means two more equations. 3x plus 4y is equal to 0. 3x minus 4y minus 4 by 3y, equation number 4. Put these two equations in equation 1. Put equation 3 in 1. We get 3 into 3y का square minus y square is equal to 26. 27y square minus y square is equal to 6. 26y square is equal to 6. So y square is equal to 1, y is equal to plus minus 1. Put in 3, we get x is equal to 3 into plus minus 1. X is equal to plus minus 3. So put equation 4 in 1, we get 3 into minus 4 by 3 y square minus y square is equal to 26. 16 by 9 y square minus y square is equal to 26. 16 by 3 minus 16 by 3 y square minus y square is equal to 26. 16 minus 3, 13 by 3 y square is equal to 26. So y square is equal to 26 multiply 13, 3 over 13. Y square is equal to 6, y is equal to plus minus under root 6. Equation 4, x is equal to minus 4 by 3 plus minus under root 6. So x is equal to plus minus 4 under root 6 by 3. So solution set. At the end, solution set of this question is equal to plus minus 3 plus minus 1 plus minus 4 under root 6 by 3 and plus minus under root 6. This is your required answer. स्टूडेंट्स, आज के क्वेश्चन, आज के लेक्चर में हमने 3 मजीद टाइप के क्वेश्चन देखे हैं 2.7 के सिमल्टेनियस क्वेश्चन के। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर के साथ दोबारा आएंगे। तब तक के लिए हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और इसे दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर करें। थैंक यू सो मच।